Hi, I'm Melissa with Atlas CFO, and today we're talking about the top problems with cash flow in construction contracting. Cash flow seems to be a big trouble, especially spring, early summer. So right now, we experience cash flow problems as contractors. Today, I'm going to talk about the problems that we have so we can start identifying what to do about it. So the first problem I want to talk about today is not really a problem, but it can feel like it: growth. When we have growth in construction, our revenues start climbing and we have additional costs at the same time. Most contractors in a growth mode will burn about 30% of their growth in cash. Now, if you have some real substantial growth, you can see how much cash that would really affect you. Although it's a great problem to have, it's still a problem. The second problem we're going to talk about today is billing and collecting. The reason why I put them together is I've actually seen both problems. So in my 20 years, I know I don't look like I've done this for 20 years, but in my 20 years, I've been amazed at the number of times billings actually were the problem. So this is really to identify, do you have a billing problem or do you have a collection problem? Now they're all on the same report, but you have to look at which one it is. Our third topic is timing. You want to really mess with your cash flow? Pay your vendors before you get paid. It's amazing how quickly it can happen, and most of the time you're just trying to help somebody out. Then you help them out and then it turns around and hurts you. So looking at the timing of your cash flows is a problem that you can work on. Next up, finishing. We used to joke we were the best 98% contractor there was. Man, we could get a job in at 98%. That last 2%, sometimes it would take us forever, it seemed like, to just finish the job. So a problem that we can have for cash flow is not finishing the job. So we can analyze that later. Next. Our good old friend, retention. Oh, retention, how much we love you. Now, depending on where you are in the US and what that means to you for retention, typically in our area, we see anywhere between 5 and 10% retention. That means for some of us, our entire profit is sitting in somebody else's bank. That can create huge cash flow problems for us because we can't collect that money until the job is done. So one of the things that can be a problem is the retention terms in our contract. Okay, so today we're just talking about the problems. I hope you'll join us in the future, and if you're interested in learning more about cash flow, click on the link in the description and it will take you to our website, atlascfo.com, and you can check out our cash flow courses there. Thanks.